Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate you how to create update button functionality for our book database. Just double click and all you need to do is copy the same thing from delete button functionality and here delete the text, go to the database, go to tables, select book, right click, script table as, and here update and new query editor window. Let's click on it. Here, copy it and paste to our project. Actually delete ID and set title. Title equal single quotes, double quotes, plus plus, txt, title, text, author. Here the trick is that you should be really careful because a single quote mistake or brackets will ruin your project. It will not compile properly. Again, this time here. It was none. Here, value. Pages. And price. Now here, where ID is equal text Actually, yes. I think everything is okay. Let's run our application. This time let's try user, password, QWERTY, login. Yeah, it seems it works. Just our third block. Actually, this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, it's also a great book. I highly recommend it to you. Actually, this was the pages, the year. Actually, this is the year of the book, but I will make it like that. The main idea is to test the update functionality, and the price will be 30, let's say, and click add. Record saved successfully. And now let's change the published year. Click on update record. Yeah, actually it has changed, but yeah, I forget to change the text here. Updated. Yeah, save the data. Yes. Login. As you can see, our application is working. Let's enter another book. This will be the last book. Here the price. Here I would like to change its price. Click update record. Actually, why updated? Updated successfully. And now the message box is also working. And let's make the final touch. Picture box. One picture box here. Let's expand this one. Let's add the background image. As you can see, our application is ready for use. Actually, there is, yeah, it not looks exactly the same, but never mind. Just test it for the last time. Add the record. Now change it, update it, clear, enter the ID number, and delete it. And here, as you can see, our project is done. And we have already created a simple C# Windows Forms application with SQL Server. And yeah, this was all for today's tutorial. And if you like this series, just don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So see you soon and stay tuned.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you soon!